second video, and welcome to MpotsisenQ, my channel. So because it's the lockdown, I couldn't get anybody to interview, so I needed some content. Since it's Friday, today Leponapona Chef, and we're gonna make my specialty burgers, homemade burgers. Everybody loves them, and there's a special secret sauce that we're going to use. So these are healthy burgers made from home. It tastes just as good. And so now I will show you my ingredients for my super delicious burger. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so what we have here is beef patties. So you can make your own patties, or if you are a lazy cook like me, you can go and buy your own patties from the butchery or from the retail stores. We've got burgers, burger buns. So what I did is I put some butter on them and just toasted them a bit, just to get that firmness going, and it tastes quite good. Got some lettuce, some butter lettuce, and then we've got some tomatoes, nice healthy tomatoes, and then we got some cheddar cheese, which is good. And now the special, or one of the special ingredients, is the caramelized onions. Okay, so nothing special, just caramelized with some salt and pepper to them, nice and good. All right, and then the big star, the special sauce, baby. Got the special sauce right here. Okay, so, and that's my burger. So yes, let's get right to it. Let me put these babies on the grill, and then we're good to go. Alright, so we've preheated our pan, and it's ready. So I'm just gonna put in all these babies. Alright, I've got my 4 burgers ready, and now I'm ready to assemble the mega burger. Okay, so the first thing we do is we put on the patty, cheddar cheese on top, onions, put that nice golden brown color on the onions. Alright, and then got some fresh green is good, some fresh butter lettuce. And now for the secret sauce, baby, the secret sauce. Easy, simple burger, nothing complicated. Yeah, you can do this literally in 15 minutes. So there we go. Ooh-wee. Look at that, baby. It's burger number 1 with all the healthy stuff. It's good to go. Alright, so yeah, so we'll do burger number 2. You can do it any way you want. You can put the onions first, whichever way you want. You can put the sauce afterwards. Well, I think my other 4 patties are burning. I'll check on them now. You can put the cheese, some tomato. Alright. I like these lettuce because it feels like I'm picking them off the ground, so they're nice and fresh. Okay, just slam that baby together. Yum yum. yeah, that's my burger. Happy Friday. Enjoy. All right, so that was my session here, Leponapona Chef, on my homemade burgers. So please comment below if you have any suggestions. If there's anything you'd like to see me make, I'm willing to take up the challenge. I've made lasagnas, very good lasagnas, and tomorrow is Saturday, so maybe if you want to see me try something, hook me up. I'm up for the challenge. All right, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification to be notified with any new videos or any new content that I post. So yeah, thank you very much. Yes, I'm gonna now eat, and since it's a Friday, cheers.